Harmon curtain wall, light, strong, and beautiful building facades. Let's take a closer look at curtain walls, a smart architectural feature that's both functional and stylish. Unlike traditional walls, curtain walls are not load-bearing, they're suspended from the main structure of the building. This clever design lightens the overall weight, reduces the stress on the foundation, and ultimately lowers construction costs. One of the leaders in this space is Harmon, an American company known for its impressive portfolio of large-scale projects. A perfect example is the Hilton Cleveland Downtown Hotel, where Harmon installed over 18,500 square meters of curtain wall systems. The result? A sleek, modern glass exterior that matches the hotel's upscale interior, which includes a swimming pool, rooftop bar, fine dining options, and even pet-friendly rooms. Harmon also stepped in to help restore the Westin Peachtree Plaza Hotel in Atlanta after it was damaged by a tornado. Thanks to their expert work, the building's facade was fully repaired and brought back to life. Whether it's for new builds or restoration, Harmon curtain walls offer a powerful blend of efficiency, elegance, and resilience. Nextstone Slatestone post covers, from plain wood to polished stone in minutes. If you're looking to instantly upgrade the look of your deck, balcony, or outdoor structure, the Nextstone Slatestone two-piece post covers are the perfect solution. They let you turn any regular wooden post into a beautiful, stone-style column, without the hassle of heavy materials or complicated installations. Each cover is made from specially engineered UV-resistant polyurethane, built to last through sun, rain, and time without fading or cracking. The standard size is 119 by 20 centimeters, designed to fit most posts with ease, whether it's for railings, pergolas, or fencing. Forget about mortar, mess, or waiting on masonry work. With Nextstone, there's no prep needed, just snap the covers into place and you're done. Not only will you enhance your home's curb appeal, but you'll also get the bonus of better insulation, which could help you save on energy costs. And for those who love a polished finish, there's even an optional lighting system to add that extra touch of elegance. Stylish, durable, and easy, Nextstone makes transformations effortless. Pecco bolted column connections, fast, reliable, and built for modern construction. Imagine being able to install a structural column in just 6 minutes, safely and securely. Sounds too good to be true? Not with Pecco's bolted column connection system. This clever finish innovation is revolutionizing construction sites by making installations faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Once the bolts are tightened, the column becomes self-supporting, which means no extra machinery or support structures are needed. This not only saves time but also reduces labor and equipment costs, speeding up the entire construction process. Pecco offers a range of connection solutions tailored to different needs. Their Bolda system, for example, is ideal for heavy loads and high-strength concrete, making it perfect for both commercial developments and private projects. A great example of this technology in action is in Aydın, Turkey, where it's being used in the construction of the massive Ops Mall shopping center. Quick to install, structurally strong, and extremely versatile, Pecco connections are building the future, one bolt at a time. Fast Tube, a smarter alternative to cardboard formwork. Building concrete columns just got a whole lot easier with Fast Tube, a soft formwork system that's turning heads in the construction world. Unlike the bulky cardboard tubes you're used to, Fast Tube is made from woven high-density polyethylene, making it stronger, more flexible, and way more practical on site. This material is water and moisture resistant, which means it holds up beautifully in wet or unpredictable weather. It's also lightweight, easy to cut, and comes in compact rolls, so it's super convenient to store and transport. Even better, it's more affordable than traditional cardboard, and once your concrete is poured, there's no need to remove it. The tube won't stick, so it can be left in place as long as needed. Fast Tube is available in 15-meter and 30-meter rolls, with options for different column diameters, and is proudly manufactured in Canada. The only real downside? It's not available on Amazon, which a few buyers have pointed out as a hassle. Still, for anyone working on concrete columns, Fast Tube is a modern, cost-effective solution that saves time, effort, and money. Steinfix, effortless paving with a perfect finish. If you've ever tried laying tiles, stones, or pavers, you know how hard it can be to get everything perfectly aligned. That's where Steinfix makes a huge difference. This smart and easy-to-use system helps you lay outdoor flooring like a pro, without the mess or frustration. At the heart of Steinfix is a support profile and grid, along with simple accessories like wedges, anchors, or nails to keep everything firmly in place. The grid sits just beneath the base of each tile or stone, holding them steady while keeping the spacing beautifully consistent. It's not just about looks either. Steinfix is strong. The system has a load-bearing capacity of 3.5 tons, meaning it's sturdy enough even for driveways and parking areas. It also lets you create smooth, uniform joints between the pavers and surrounding grass, giving your space a clean, designer-level appearance. The best part? The layout can be customized to match any shape or style you want, turning any outdoor area into a head-turning feature. Mechanical concrete, a smart way to reuse old tires. Every year, millions of used tires end up as waste, piling up in massive landfills. One shocking example is in Kuwait, where the world's largest tire graveyard holds over 50 million tires just sitting there, taking up space and polluting the environment. But what if these old tires could actually help us build better, longer-lasting roads? That's where mechanical concrete comes in. This innovative technology transforms old tires into a powerful building material. By removing the sidewalls and filling the tire's circular frame with crushed stone, it creates a super strong structure that can be used for roads, parking lots, warehouse yards, and more. Here's the best part. Roads made with mechanical concrete are 3 times stronger than traditional ones and cost up to 75% less to maintain. Common problems like potholes, cracks, and erosion are greatly reduced or eliminated. It's not only cost-effective, it's eco-friendly too. Camo Edge Metal Deck Clips, clean look, tough grip. If you're building a deck and want a sleek, screw-free surface, the Camo Edge Metal Deck Clips are exactly what you need. Brought to you by Camo, a trusted American brand known for innovative fasteners and tools, these clips are designed for grooved wood, composite, and PVC deck boards, specifically when used with metal joists. What sets them apart? Strength. These clips are 88% stronger than leading competitors, meaning they provide a rock-solid hold that lasts for years. They're perfect for high-performance decking without the bulky screw heads ruining the look. There's also the Camo Edge Metal version for wood framing, including pressure-treated or chemically treated wood. Both models are made from durable UV-resistant plastic, and the included screws feature Protect coating to guard against rust and corrosion, even in tough weather. At around $49 for a pack of 900 clips, Camo gives you both value and reliability, whether you're building a backyard retreat or a heavy-duty deck. Alpen Solar, solar power at the peak of innovation. Imagine a solar farm so high in the mountains that it sits above the clouds. Welcome to Alpen Solar, Switzerland's impressive renewable energy project. Completed just last year, this system stretches a full kilometer across the top of a hydroelectric dam and is packed with 5,000 solar panels. Together, they generate around 2.2 megawatts of clean electricity, enough to power about 700 homes. Now, you might wonder, what about fog and cloudy weather? Here's the smart part. This dam is located 2,500 meters above sea level, well above the fog line, so it enjoys plenty of sunlight year-round. Even better, the surrounding snow reflects sunlight onto the panels, supercharging their efficiency. That's why high-altitude solar projects can be up to 3 times more effective than those built at lower elevations. The structure is also built to handle heavy snow loads, making it strong, reliable, and perfectly suited for alpine conditions. And this is just the start. Switzerland aims to build over 4,000 solar projects by 2030. Cororeium brick tile cladding system, classic brick look, modern installation. If you want the timeless charm of brick but without the long, messy, and labor-intensive installation process, the Cororeium brick tile cladding system is a game-changer. This system has been widely used in the UK for over 20 years and is now making waves around the world, thanks to how much it speeds up construction, by up to 5 or 6 times faster than traditional bricklaying. Here's how it works. Steel backing profiles are first installed on the wall. Then, specially designed clinker tiles are slotted into place, giving the facade a realistic brick or stone appearance. If any tile is damaged, you can replace just that one piece, a big win for easy maintenance. There's also a lightweight version of the system designed for wooden frame structures, adding even more flexibility. The tiles come in sizes up to 33 centimeters long, 21.5 centimeters wide, and 32 millimeters thick, while the standard steel profiles are around 2.4 meters in length. Both the tiles and profiles can be custom made to fit your project's exact needs. Cororeium gives you the durability and style of brick with the speed, simplicity, and precision of modern construction. Ligh Hoof. Say goodbye to muddy messes in horse pens. If you've ever tried walking through a muddy paddock, you know it's no fun for you or your horse. That's exactly why Ligh Hoof was created, a ground stabilization system designed to keep horses comfortable and footing firm, no matter the weather. Ligh Hoof panels are made from tough, flexible plastic strips that form large mats measuring 1.8 by 3.6 meters. Each panel is filled with gravel, which settles into fist-sized cells about 8 centimeters high. Once filled, the result is a stable, durable surface that can support horses, people, and even vehicles. No need to hire a professional either, you can install it yourself. All it takes is removing any large rocks, there's no need for leveling. The system is so solid, it's based on U.S. Army Corps of Engineers research, so you know it's built to perform. While the quality comes at a price, $199 per panel, many horse owners find it well worth it for years of clean, mud-free footing. Umbren versatile formwork for stronger, smarter building. Looking for a smart solution to simplify floor or roof construction? Meet Umbren, a flexible and efficient formwork system designed to work with almost any type of wall built using regular concrete slabs. Whether you're building a cozy home or a massive commercial space, Umbren has you covered. It comes in two versions tailored to your project needs. The Eco version is perfect for low-rise residential buildings, featuring 2.4-meter-long panels that allow for quick installation and reduced labor time. For larger or more complex jobs, the Pro version offers 61 centimeters forms, ideal for custom shapes and unusual layouts in commercial construction. Beyond ease of use, Umbren shines in performance. It's eco-friendly, budget-conscious, and offers great sound insulation, making buildings quieter and more energy efficient. Plus, it adds a layer of protection with resistance to natural disasters like earthquakes and extreme weather. All in all, Umbren is not just another formwork system, it's a modern construction solution designed to build better, faster, and greener. Umbren W, the fast-acting mortar that stops leaks instantly. You've probably seen those viral videos where someone stops a massive leak using heavy-duty tape. Pretty cool, right? Now imagine something even more powerful, especially when it comes to concrete, brick, or natural stone. That's exactly what Umbren W brings to the table. This isn't just any mortar. Umbren W is specially designed to harden rapidly and expand when it comes into contact with water. That means if you've got a sudden leak, crack, or weak spot in a wall or foundation, you can seal it up in no time, without any fuss. It doesn't contain any corrosive ingredients, so it's safe for your surfaces and won't cause long-term damage. Plus, any excess material can be easily cleaned off, leaving a neat and tidy finish. The best part? It comes in a 15-kilogram bucket, giving you more than enough to handle multiple repairs. Perfect for construction pros and homeowners alike, Umbren W is a must-have for quick, durable, and reliable sealing. DOA XBOT Lift, the robotic lifting assistant changing construction. If you've ever worked on a construction site, you know how physically exhausting and risky it can be, especially when handling heavy slab formwork. But thanks to modern innovation, there's a new robotic helper that's making life a whole lot easier for builders. Meet the DOA XBOT Lift. Created by the DOA team, this robotic system is designed to lift formwork components up to 5.7 meters high, a task that would usually take multiple workers and a lot of muscle. With the DOA XBOT, everything becomes faster, safer, and more efficient. It's operated using a tablet, allowing workers to stay at a safe distance while guiding the robot with just a few taps. To keep things secure, the robot can only be accessed using a special RFID card, preventing unauthorized or accidental use. The result? Less physical strain, fewer injuries, and faster construction timelines. It's a smart step forward in construction technology. KKDM2 Cable Manhole, the lightweight powerhouse for underground cable networks. Just like sewer systems carry waste underground, there's another hidden network most people don't think about: underground cable systems. These are crucial for keeping our electricity, internet, and communication lines organized and running smoothly. To access and maintain these cables, special chambers are installed underground, and that's where the KKDM2 cable manhole comes into play. This smartly designed cable access chamber is built using durable polymer instead of heavy concrete, which makes a huge difference during installation. Weighing just 9 kilograms, it's incredibly light and easy to handle, especially for field crews who are used to wrestling with bulky equipment. Despite being lightweight, the KKDM2 doesn't compromise on strength. It's made from a single molded piece, which means fewer weak points and greater long-term durability. It also performs reliably in extreme weather conditions, handling everything from -50 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius with ease. With 8 mounting zones, it's flexible and efficient for different types of utility needs. In short, it's a small but mighty solution that's making underground cable. Sound insulation. Say goodbye to unwanted noise. If you've ever wished for a little peace and quiet, whether at home, in a hotel, or even in a busy game room, sound insulation could be your new best friend. One of the most reliable ways to block out unwanted noise is by using mineral wool blocks, a smart and efficient solution trusted by professionals. These blocks are made by melting down natural minerals in a furnace and spinning the result into fibrous, wool-like material. The result? A lightweight but powerful sound barrier that, when installed correctly, can cut noise levels by up to 57 decibels. That means you won't have to hear your neighbor's loud phone calls or late-night parties ever again. But there's more to love. Mineral wool is non-toxic, doesn't rot, and is completely ignored by pests like rodents. It's also easy to transport and install, making it ideal for both private homes and commercial spaces like bars, hotels, and offices. Quiet, comfort, and peace of mind, all in one simple solution. Bullock's BQs, flexible brick slips that look and feel real. Traditional bricks are facing tough times in many parts of the world. In Germany, they're in short supply. In France, people are turning to straw houses because they're cheaper and more energy efficient. But now there's a smart and stylish alternative catching attention: Bullock's BQs flexible brick slips. These innovative brick alternatives are thin, lightweight panels designed to look just like real bricks, but with none of the weight or hassle. Whether it's snow, rain, hail, or heat, these slips are built to endure it all. They're scratch-resistant, vapor-proof, and super easy to clean, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Each piece comes in a standard 24 by 7 cm size, with a thin profile of just 3 to 5 mm. You can choose from 10 beautiful colors, or even order a custom shade to match your project. The surface finish can be smooth, rough, or textured, so you get the exact look you want. DOA XBOT gives you the charm of real brick with none of the limitations. Smart, stylish, and built for modern construction. Duracell Umbren, build your wall of silence. Let's face it, true relaxation starts with peace and quiet. But if your home is near a busy road, constant traffic noise can quickly ruin that calm. With noise levels often reaching 70 to 80 decibels, even your living room can feel like it's next to a highway. That's why the Duracell Umbren sound barrier is such a smart solution. This system is designed to reduce noise by up to 30 decibels, creating a much more peaceful atmosphere inside and around your home. It's built using Duracell, a sustainable material made from 80 to 90% recycled wood chips, Portland cement, and mineral additives. It's not just soundproof, it's also fire-resistant, handles extreme temperatures, and even withstands stone impact. Installation is a breeze. Think of it like assembling Lego blocks. You simply stack the units along the guide rails, and the wall takes shape quickly without any complicated tools or equipment. Whether you're blocking out traffic, noisy neighbors, or industrial sounds, Duracell Umbren gives you the barrier you need to turn your home into a true sanctuary of Systemair K, reliable ventilation for big spaces. In large buildings like hotels, shopping malls, schools, office centers, or industrial facilities, having a powerful and efficient ventilation system is a must. That's where the Systemair K series of duct fans really shines. These fans are designed to handle serious airflow needs, offering air movement ranging from 180 to 1,700